Okay, hello everyone. So sa video na to, pag-aaralan natin ang measures of position which is quartiles for ungrouped data. Okay, dito sa video na to, pag-aaralan natin kung ano nga ba ang quartile, kung paano kukunin ang value ng first quartile, second quartile or median, and upper quartile. Okay, so magbibigay ako ng problem. So this is the problem. The owner of a computer shop recorded the number of customers who came into his shop each hour in a day. The results were 12, 8, 5, 11, 6, 10, 6, 7, 9, 4, and 11. Okay, so the first one is find the lower quartile or first quartile. Letter B, find the median or the second quartile. And letter C, find the third quartile or upper quartile. Okay, first let's have quartile. Quartile, it divides a distribution into 4 equal parts. Okay, hinahati natin ang distribution ng 4 na bahagi. Okay. As you can see on the picture, meron tayong 4 parts. Okay, so the first part is what we call the first quartile. And yung second part is second quartile. Third part is third quartile. Ang first quartile, ito yung tinatawag na lower quartile. Ang second quartile, ito yung tinatawag na median o pinakagitna. And then, third quartile, ito yung tinatawag na upper quartile. Okay, now let's study the given figure. Okay, so on the given figure, we have the first quartile, the second quartile, and the third quartile. Okay, now, the 25% of all the data has a value less than or equal to the first quartile. Okay, so we have 25%. And then, 50% of all the data has a value less than or equal to median or quartile 2. Okay, and the next, 75% of all the data has a value less than or equal to third quartile. Okay, now so let's have an example. The owner of a computer shop recorded the number of customers who came into his shop each hour in a day. The results were 12, 8, 5, 11, 6, 10, 6, 7, 9, 4, and 11. Okay, so A, find the lower quartile, find the median, and find the upper quartile. So let's have the solution. Okay, we have the given data 15, 8, 5, 11, 6, 10, 6, 7, 9, 4, and 13. So the first step is to arrange the given data into ascending order. Okay, so now we have 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15. As you can see in the given data, the least value in the data is 4 and the greatest value in the data is 15. Okay, so ang pinaka mataas is 15, ang pinakamababa ay 4. Now, let's find the middle value in the data. So, ang middle value is yung pinakagitna ng data. So, magbibilang tayo. We have okay, bilangin muna natin kung ilan ang given data natin. Okay, so kung bibilangin natin ang data natin, we have 11. Okay, so sa 11 data na yan, kukunin natin ang pinakagitna. So as you can see, ang pinakagitna dito ay yung 8. So ibig sabihin, yan yung median. The middle value in the data is 8. Okay, next, kukunin natin ang lower quartile. Ang lower quartile is 6. So, paano natin nakuha ang 6 sa lower quartile? Okay, mula dun sa median, ayan, pababa, bibilangin natin or kukunin uli natin ang pinakagitna. So, ang pinakagitna mula 4 hanggang 8 ay 6. Therefore, ang lower quartile natin is 6. Okay, so next is the upper quartile. Upper quartile is 11. Okay, paano natin kunin ang upper quartile? So, mula dun sa median pataas, okay, magbibilang uli tayo or kukunin uli natin yung pinakagitna ng data mula 8 hanggang 15. So, ang pinakagitna ay 11. So, therefore, ang upper quartile natin ay 11. Okay, so that is how to find the lower quartile, the middle value, and the upper quartile of the given data. Okay, so meron tayong alternative solution na pwede nating gamitin kapag marami na yung given data natin. Say for example, umabot na ito ng 15, 20, and so on. Okay, so pwede na nating gamitin itong formula na to. Okay, to find the lower quartile or L, we have the position of the first quartile equals 1/4 times n plus 1. Okay, and to find the median or the position of the second quartile, we have 2/4 times n plus 1, or it is equal to second quartile equals 1/2 times n plus 1. And to find the upper quartile or U, this is the position of third quartile. It is equal to 3/4 times n plus 1. Okay, tuturo ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano gamitin ang mga formula. Okay, so let's have the first quartile or the lower quartile. So, ang given natin, we have 15, 8, 5, 11, 6, 10, 6, 7, 9, 4, and 13. So, sa ungrouped data, kailangan muna nating i-arrange in ascending order or mula sa mababang value pataas. So, we have 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15. Okay? So, to find the lower quartile, ito yung formula na gagamitin natin. We have the quartile 1 or the first quartile equals 1/4 times n plus 1. So, sasubstitute lang natin yung n, which is yung number ng data, kung ilan yung number ng data. So, kung bibilangin natin yung data, it is 11. Okay, so substitute, we have the first quartile equals 1/4 times n is 11. So, we have 11 plus 1. Okay, the next step, first quartile equals 1/4. 11 plus 1 is 12. Okay, and then, i-multiply natin yung 1 sa 12. 1 times 12 equals 12 over 4. Okay, and then next step, we divide 12 divided by 4, the answer is 3. So, the first quartile is 3. The position of the first quartile is 3. Meaning that the lower quartile value is the third element. So, magbibilang tayo ng tatlong elements doon sa data. Okay, we have first, second, and third. So, the third element is 6. Therefore, our first quartile or the value of the first quartile is 6. Okay, next, to find the second quartile or the median, we have the following data: 15, 8, 5, 11, 6, 10, 6, 7, 9, 4, and 13. And we're going to arrange in ascending order. So, we have 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15. To find the median, gagamitin natin tong formula na to. We have the position of the second quartile. We have 2/4 times n plus 1, or it is 1/2 times n plus 1. Okay, so we're going to use the second quartile equals 1/2 times n plus 1. Okay, again, number of data, which is the n, is 11. Okay, so 11 plus 1, substitute, then simplify. 11 plus 1 is 12. Then, second quartile equals 1/2 times 12. So, 1/2 times 12, multiply 1 times 12, the answer is 12 over 2. Okay, copy the denominator 2. And then, 12 divided by 2, the answer is 6. So the position of second quartile is 6. Okay, position pa lang ito, hindi pa siya value. To find the value of the median or to find the value of the second quartile, okay, so from the position which is 6, meaning the median value is the 6th element. So, okay, magbibilang tayo ng 6 mula dun sa first data natin. So, we have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So, ang 6th element natin is 8. Therefore, ang second quartile natin is 8. Or, ang value ng second quartile natin is 8. Okay, so next, let's have the third quartile. To find the third quartile, we're going to use the formula. Okay, so we have the given data. Arrange the data in ascending order. So we have 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15. And we will going to use this formula. We have the upper quartile or U equals the position of the third quartile equals 3/4 times n plus 1. Okay, again, the number of data is 11. So, we substitute 11. So, quartile 3 equals 3/4 times n is 11. Therefore, we have 11 plus 1. Then, simplify. 11 plus 1 is 12. Then, now we have third quartile equals 3/4 times 12. So, multiply natin yung 3 and 12. So, 3 times 12 is 36 over 4. Just copy the denominator. Then, now we have 36 divided by 4. The answer is 9. So, the position of the third quartile is 9. Pang 9 ang upper quartile sa given data. Okay? So, it means that the upper quartile value is the 9th element. So, ibig sabihin, magbibilang tayo ng 9 or pang 9th ang quartile 3 sa data. So, let's count the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So, the 9th element is 11. So, therefore, the upper quartile is 11. Okay, so that's all for now, and thank you for watching. So, for more videos, please visit my YouTube channel, Math-ish. Thank you.